Hi guys, it's Stacy and I'm back with a video today. Sorry it's been so long. Today I have a couple of sewing projects I made to share with you. I'm sorry I haven't really been paper crafting. I haven't been crafting a whole lot, but paper crafting I just haven't done in so many months. I have started to venture out into a few different things, hoping that it'll bring back my creative mojo. So I'm going to show you real quick what I made. So this is a really big tote bag that I made for my daughter who loves pandas. So it's got some really long straps on it. It's got the pandas, and then it's got this polka dot and pink pattern to go with the pink cheeks on the little pandas. And then I lined the inside with this gray and pink polka dot. I put a pocket in here, which I messed up and sewed upside down. So it wasn't originally upside down, but when you assemble the bag, hey, if you're new to sewing, make sure it's right, because I was way through this project and almost done when I figured it out. And there was no taking the seams. So I told my daughter it's the pocket from the labyrinth. But she said she loves it. But I mean, it's a good size. She likes to crochet, and so it will work for her and hold a lot of yarn. So I don't have my noisy measuring tape with me today. So it's almost 18 inches wide by, I guess I could have measured it first. You're probably looking at maybe 14 inches tall. It's already got dust on it, and she hasn't even got it yet. So there's the bag, and so I made her some little fabric baskets to go with it, and they nest within each other, so they have pandas too, and they have the same pink pattern, so they match. She's excited. She said she's going to put her crochet stuff in these as well. And so I made 3 different sizes, and these are really easy to make. And as you could see, my stitching's not the greatest. She said she doesn't care, because I was like, she's like, well, you're getting practice, Mom. And I was like, yeah. So, those are the baskets. And then I already have the fabric cut, and it's been sitting, I don't know, for a couple of weeks now for a zipper bag. And it's got the lining of the pink and black polka dot, and then this panda material to make a zipper pouch, which I have never sewn a zipper before, so we'll see how it turns out. If it turns out okay, I may come back and share it, unless I give it to her, because I'm hoping to have it done by Mother's Day for her. So they nest within each other, and it doesn't take very much fabric. Like I said, these are really easy to make, and you just use stabilizer, and you could do squares or rectangles. And the bag's really easy too. Just make sure you sew your pocket on right side up. Or when you go to assemble your bag, that you have it clipped and put together properly. Because you sew the pocket onto the lining material, so that when you sew what is going to be the top, the bottom, and the sides of the bag, I didn't pay attention. It was right until it wasn't. So those are my shares for today. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!